friends, we are going to see what our letter of the day is today. So I have Baby Echo here, and we are going to go through all of the letters. We're going to say them, not sing them. So follow me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, good job, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Nice job. Now Baby Echo is going to go through the alphabet again, but he is going to stop when it is our letter of the day. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. H is our letter of the day. All right. So this is our uppercase letter H and the lowercase letter H. And here is a picture of a hat. The first sound in the word hat is H makes the sound like you're breathing out. Good job. Let's listen to our letter H.
The letter H has a hot sound.
Very nice job, friends. You did a great job listening to our H song. All right, now we're going to write the letter H. All right, so this is the uppercase H, and it's H, hat. There's our uppercase H, hat, and the lowercase H, hat. Good job. All right, we're going to look at our mystery box and see what pictures we have of the letter H. This is our letter H, our uppercase letter H, and the lowercase letter H. All right. Heart starts with H. Hot dog starts with H. This is a helicopter. Helicopter starts with H. And a horse. Horse starts with H. A picture of a hose. Hose starts with H. And a hat. This is a hamster. Hamster starts with H. This is a horn. Horn starts with H. Handcuffs starts with H. And headphones start with H. All of these pictures started with H. Now I have a picture, or I have a helmet, a heart. I found a hanger and a horse. Here is a hat and a house. All of these things start with the letter H. H. So I want you to say with me, I'm going to go first. H, hat. Now it's your turn. H, hat. Good job. You guys did an excellent job today. Thank you very much.